If you want to turn on professional mode on your Facebook account but the option isn't showing because your account is private, you'll need to make your profile public first. First, open the Facebook app. Then go to your profile at the bottom. After that, tap the three dots and select Unlock Profile. Tap the unlock icon again. Then tap Unlock Your Profile. Now your Facebook profile has been unlocked. To turn on professional mode, tap the three dots again and select Turn on Professional Mode. After that, tap Update Your Profile. This is the default audience setting on Facebook. Here you can choose who can view and comment on your content by default. You'll see three options: Public, Friends, and Custom. If you want your posts, stories, and reels to reach more people, select Public. If you only want your friends to see your content, select Friends. You can also choose Custom to control who can see your content. After selecting your preferred option, tap Next to continue. Now Facebook is showing you a review selection screen. It is confirming the settings you selected for your default audience. Here you can review who can see your posts, stories, and reels, whether others can share your public stories and reels, who can comment on your public posts, and whether your profile can appear in search engines outside Facebook. If everything looks good, tap Confirm to apply these public settings. After confirming these settings, Facebook will take you to the category page. Here, you need to choose a category that best matches your profile or the type of content you create. Select the most relevant category and then continue to the next step. Once you see the All Set screen, it means your professional mode setup is complete. This is how you can turn on professional mode on your Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget like, share, and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more helpful tech content. Thanks for watching.